Centuries ago, a fortress was built, hidden from light, buried in forgotten history. They say no one enters it and returns it the same. 3 seekers, 1 riddle, and a lock that demands a sacrifice. Behind every door lies not just a world, but a test. Some doors lead to memories. Others lead to madness. What if we're being watched? We already are. Trapped between fear and fate, they must unravel the clues before the fortress unravels them. As you reach out to touch it, a voice echoes through the chamber. I have mountains, but no trees. I have water, but no fish. What am I? The clock is ticking. Can you answer the riddle in time? Or will you be trapped in the fortress forever? The fate is in your hands. Welcome, seeker, to the first of many tests. To open the door, you must solve my riddle. But be warned, time is against you. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay safe. For every correct answer you give, 10 precious seconds will be deducted from your time. And if your time runs out before you open the door, you will be trapped here forever. Are you ready? This isn't just an adventure. It is a curse forged in darkness where every choice has a price and not all doors lead home. The door open. The first trial awaits. For now, let's focus on the task at hand. You awaken in a dark and dank cell, the air thick with the smell of mildew and decay. A single ray of sunlight pierces through a crack in the wall, illuminating a pile of dirt at your feet. As you approach it, you notice a small keyhole in the center. This must be the lock the riddle spoke of. But where's the key? But only the brave step forward, and the fortress is awake. Welcome to the first episode of our brand new series. Take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of this place. These chambers are just the beginning. There are countless more hidden beneath the fortress, each with their own secrets, their own puzzles, and their own trial. The map details the layout of the fortress, but it's missing a crucial piece. Suddenly, the floor beneath you gives way, sending you tumbling into a subterranean lake. Emerging from the water, you find yourself in a vast chamber filled with flickering torches. In the distance, you hear the echo of dripping water. It's up to you to explore them all. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. As you search the cell for answers, you find a book lying open to a faded map. Before you stands a massive oak door adorned with strange symbols. This is your first clue. Now listen closely to the riddle. I have cities, but no houses. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends.